Hey my friend and fellow trader, it's Will here with FXAUUSD.com. I'm back again with another fantastic trading setup for you in the weeks and months ahead. It is on the Aussie Kiwi. It is just a video version of the post I posted on my TradingView profile yesterday. This is just going to explain it in video, as a lot of people do like a visual explanation of the actual setup. For the actual video here, I'm going to use MT4. And before we actually get into the setup, if you're new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so it is a sell setup on the Aussie Kiwi. If you've been following this pair for quite some time, we are now at a huge monthly and weekly level. Okay, if we zoom out to the monthly charts here on the MT4, okay. See, the last time it was at this level, it sold off pretty more or less twice at this level we are at now inside this box here. Okay, we could more or less say this here is the sell zone here. Okay, starting at 113,500. Okay, and if we zoom into the weekly charts, okay, just move back there, you can see several times before it's come up to this level and it's sold off. Okay, it's yet to break through this area and close above it. Okay, which is indicating a very nice time to start selling this asset. We can also see we're getting divergence signals on the MACD divergence in MACD divergence signals on the weekly charts. If we zoom into the daily charts, okay, this will move over here. We're also getting that, okay, we're getting this choppy price action as it comes up into this key area. We're at the line now. We're getting the divergence just before it rallies up, and then we get this is the final push in, and then I'm expecting a huge sell off down here. Okay. On my I'm going to wait for the next divergence signal on the 4-hour daily chart to enter this trade, or you can use my YouTube live stream to wait for a 4-hour daily signal of it, and it will allow you to get in this position. But it is a really good setup. Targets on this, as I say, if this falls back into this huge range, this can very easily come all the way back down here. Okay, if we do get a breakout, okay, your stop loss, you want to have your stop loss above. Okay, this is a long-term setup. You want to have your stop loss above this area here. Okay, the 115. We'll just do a setup on that. Okay, so it's sell AUDNZD on first MACD divergence signal on daily or 4-hour chart above 113,400. Okay. Or you can again use my YouTube live stream. You're on YouTube here, just go to my channel and you'll see my free live stream. Just get the signal of it. Okay. Of course, your stop loss is going to be above 115. And your take profit, just get this off here. First easy take profit for this, we'll just zoom in. You want to target the last highs that were taken out. Okay. Easy target there. Another one there, right down at 110. Long term, I expect it to fall back down into around this area here. Okay. Around the 107 mark. So that's a setup. If you want a written explanation of it, you can read the TradingView profile here. Okay. we're at a great area. It's going to be a great setup. Okay, so make sure you are paying attention to the live stream, paying attention to the MACD divergence indicator. If you want to get access to this free indicator, the MACD divergence indicator, send me an email at will@fxace.com. Great setup on this pair. If you want to get access to my full list of weekly swing trading ideas and daily trading ideas, simply click the link below. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the trade setup. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you on the next video well over to fxace.com.